Number 1, protect your belongings. Stored items hold memories, like family photos, yearbooks, and other items of nostalgia. When considering items like this, a flooded basement can cause damage that is simply irreparable. Number 2, safety and health. A damp, wet basement can contribute to unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, it's these same factors that contribute to mold and fungal growth, which travels in the air that we breathe. Number 3, peace of mind. You want to know that when the next storm comes through, your basement flooding with water isn't going to be a concern for you. Number 4, preserve the value of the home. Basement water issues only get worse with time. Also, mold, rot, and odors spread rapidly in organic materials like drywall. A leaky basement takes away from the livable space and can derail the future sale of the home. Number 5, it's your family or their family. Ignoring the issues isn't a wise decision. In the event that you or your family chooses to sell the home in the future, a home inspector will note the signs of water intrusion. Ironically, it's the problem that you chose to ignore that will cost you out of pocket, and someone else will enjoy the new, dry basement. For more information, give us a call or visit us at afsrepair.com.